a due diligence is basically a review of the business. And so if, for example, I have submitted an application to buy a business and I need funding for it, and why buying this business makes sense is it's creating jobs, it's in a key sector, so call it manufacturing, and so it meets the DFI's requirements. So effectively what the due diligence does is the team comes out to the business and does an entire review to try and understand what it is that the business does, and also to assess the level of funding that's needed. But effectively it's for the funders to understand the business. And so if you look at a set of financial statements, there are a lot of different components in there. You look at the assets on the balance sheet, the funders need to understand the quality and adequacy of the machinery in the business. They need to understand from an accounts receivable, who are the debtors and creditors of this business. From a contract review point of view, they're also looking at where is this business situated, the lease agreements in place. If this particular funding request is for contract finance, there's a legal review that forms part of the due diligence. So it encompasses everything from a financial review to a legal review, and then compliance parts as well, where it's important to understand the standing of the business from a BEE point of view, from a compliance with the CIPC. So all of those different things form part of a due diligence.